Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and things have really been wacky these past couple of weeks. I got in the mail this week, matter of fact, yesterday, this radio right here. And it was from one of my subscribers who had sent me, over the years, 2 other radios to review on my show. And he wished to remain anonymous. This time he says, okay, just tell him it's from Mark in Maine. That's it. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So Mark in Maine, I reviewed the other 2 radios he sent me, and now I'm going to review this one. When I was doing a little research on this radio today, I remembered I saw a review of it by Fran. This is Fran. She reviews electronics, and she does little tutorials about how things work and stuff like that. Excellent website. You should subscribe to her channel. But she, back in August of last year, she did a teardown of this RETEKESS TR604 AM/FM radio. And this is the video right now, right here, and I will put a link in the first comment under this video to her show, where she tears it down and shows you the internal part of this radio, which is fairly unique. This radio came out about a year ago, so it's not that old. And I'll just skip up here just a little way. Okay, yeah, right there. Okay, so there she's showing you these crazy switches. So check out her video. After you do that, I will be doing a review of the radio itself and function. I'm not going to take it apart. I'm no good at that. Now, Fran didn't spend a lot of time reviewing the radio as far as function, how well it performed. So that's what I'm going to do now that Mark sent me one. So check out her video, and then probably later this afternoon, I'll have a video up of this radio. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you're interested in, and have a great day. Bye-bye.